My Book of Reptiles. Have you ever wondered what reptiles are like? For instance, why do we fear some of these interesting creatures? Or what are the factors that make them so special? Let's learn about the amazing qualities that make reptiles so unique. Reptiles are cold-blooded creatures. They lay eggs and their skin is coated with dry, hard scales. They need heat from their surroundings to warm up themselves. Reptiles often crawl on their bellies. Most of them have tiny, short legs. Reptiles tend to live in mild and tropical climates. All reptiles have a backbone or spine, which means they are vertebrates. It's now time to explore some reptiles. Alligators and crocodiles. Alligators and crocodiles have existed for millions of years. They eat other creatures such as fish, birds, turtles, and even deer. The coolest thing is that they can see well at night. Alligators and crocodiles have a great vision underwater. Here is what they look like. Alligators have broad U-shaped snouts. Crocodiles have front ends that are more pointed and V-shaped. Snakes live around all the continents of the world except for Antarctica. They have very flexible jaws. Their jaws allow them to swallow larger prey. Snakes eat eggs, birds, ants, frogs, lizards, and other snakes. Some examples are python, anaconda, viper, and cobra. Turtles and tortoises. Turtles and tortoises belong to the oldest reptile groups of the world. Their shell is a shield to protect them from other predators. When in need of protection, some turtles tuck their head inside their shell. They eat beetles, fish, fruit, and grass. They have a long lifespan. Tortoises live on the land, while turtles live in the water. Lizards. Lizards are found almost all over the world. They have scales for skin, a long body, a pointy tail, and usually 4 legs. Lizards can be smaller than an inch long or massive in size and weight. They eat ants, spiders, and termites. Chameleons. Chameleons are a type of lizard. They have very long tongues. Chameleons can even change color. This is called camouflaging. Geckos. Geckos are usually small, with soft skin. They also have a short, stout body with a large head. They have unique toes, which make them excellent climbers. Iguanas. Iguanas are very interesting creatures. They usually have saggy skin on their throats. Iguanas are popular pets and can live for up to 20 years. Iguanas can punch their enemies with their tails. Komodo Dragon. Komodo dragons are the heaviest lizards on earth. They have long, flat heads with rounded snouts, scaly skin, bowed legs, and huge muscular tails. They are meat eaters and can be very, very aggressive. That's why they are known as Komodo dragons. Most reptiles can survive for a long time without food. But when they eat insects, mollusks, fish, birds, frogs, mammals. Now that you know everything about eccentric reptiles, which one is your favorite kind?